Hello guys, I am sorry, the software cuts off, so I try to fix it. So I will not be that long today because I don't know about the software. So as I showed you, when someone, I think Herman, asked me about Bitcoin, I said that when there is the beginning of trend, that time you should buy. But now at 40,000 or 38,000 now, it's very hard. Okay, it's very hard, and you should be very careful. Now, if at 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, the Bitcoin was going up, okay, and you did not want to buy, and when it is like 40,000 you want to buy, this is the problem for all investors or traders. When something is going up, they don't want to jump in because they are scared. They say, oh, I put 3,000, 4,000. What if this Bitcoin goes to $1? It can go down, it can go to $1 because it was nearly 19,000 something, nearly 20,000. It goes to 19 something, 19,700 or 800. But it goes down to 3,200 or 300. You see that? So it means if you bought at 20,000, it goes to 3,000. You lose it all. But when it was 30,000 and it was going up 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 8,000, it's going up, but you didn't buy. So you should be, as I said, you should be a trader or okay, I think I find one. Let me see if I find it. This is the one I speak about. Oh no, this is June. No, this is not June 90. I'm trying to find. I think it is that one. It is that one of 2019, I guess. Things go so quick. Okay? Let's see. Okay, so guys, I am sorry when we were speaking about Bitcoin and then the software cuts off. Okay, so since some of you come back, we try just to go and finish this penny stocks. And as I have explained, we have two kinds of software. This OBS cuts off, so I try to fix it. I'm not Greek on these things, but I'm trying to restart my computer and do some stuff in order to get this done. But understand that we have done some stuff. I will not be that long today. So as I explained to you, we have two kinds of penny stocks. One penny stock that it is a normal trading, and we have a trend. A trend could be weeks, could be 1 month, 2 months, 6 months. And this is what I like. This is safer than the other one. Now, it depends on what you want. Okay? Now, if you want high profits, it means you need to understand that there is a high risk. Okay? So I will give you just an example. Just an example to understand this. Just to make sure you understand what I am saying. Now, we take this to example number 2, which is the risky trade. Now, risky, it means when you see that here it is 50 cents, you bought it in a few days, you get $2, you are getting 400%. Yes, it is true. This is true. If the stock goes your way, it means if there is manipulation and this stock is going up. But understand that this stock can be, for example, $1. It can go to, let's say, 50 cents. You lose 50% of your money. Now, that's why the risk here from $1, you risk 50%, you will get 50 cents. This something that you should be aware of, and this is called risk. And some people, they think about 400%, they don't think about 50%. But you have $1,000. Okay? So let's take this thing. Okay? So as an example, you have $1,000. You do one trade and you lose 50%. 500. Okay? And then after you do another trade, you lose 30%. Then you lose 20%. You are doing attempts for these stocks. This is how you have 1,000, and then after a few days you will have $300. And this is how most of the beginners, they lose their money. Okay? Because first, they don't know how to manage their money. Even if you have little money, you should manage that money. Money management is a skill. You should learn how to do that. It's not just you come, you have 1,000, you throw it in a stock, and you think that you can get $4,000 or something. Sometimes it happens, but it's not always. That's why you should have some losses. These losses could be big. Now, if the losses, sometimes you have 2 or 3 or 4 trades that are losses. If you lose too much, your money is gone. That's why it is so risky. Now, the other trend, for example, let me show you something. Now, the other trend that I showed you, a normal one, is like this. See? It's like this. So it's 50 cents. It goes to $2. Let's say in 3 months. Okay? 3 months, 50 cents. This is what we call a normal trading. This is normal. Some people, they buy. This is the trend. This is normal thing. Even if you bought it at 50, and it's let's say it's going down, okay? You lose, for example, 5% or you lose 10%. It's okay, because the stock is volatile. It's okay to lose this because it's penny stock. Penny stock, it moves like this. It moves 2%, 5%, 10%, 50% a day. That's why it can go so fast. So the risk is minimum. It's not big deal. Now compared 50 cents tomorrow, you will find it 10 cents. Okay? This is risky. Is a risky trade. Okay? Because this stock is not the same as this stock. So stocks are not the same. Although they are penny stock, small stocks, they are small stocks, small companies, small stocks, they are thin. And this is why thin, what does it mean? It means they are very, very cheap and the volume is low. I will show you this thing. That's why they can manipulate it very easily because of this thing, is that you have 50-cent stock, 50 cents. The volume is 50K. So the stock is like this. Now, there is manipulation. It means manipulation. Some people, they push it up. Okay, it goes like this in a candlestick, like this candlestick. It goes here to $2. Now, when it goes to $2, so what did they say? I say the volume here is 50K. Before the manipulation. Okay? So, from now on here, there is manipulation. So it's not normal that a stock is today is 50 cents and tomorrow it goes to $2. It's not normal. Sometimes we have earning news, yes, but these companies are they don't move because of earning news. Most of the time because of manipulation. Now, how much is the volume? From 50, you find, for example, 20 million. From where this 20 million comes? 20 million shares bought today. From where? Who are these people? They come in one day and they buy it. Why they don't buy it here? Why? You ask yourself why. Why here is always the volume is always slow. Is not that much. 50,000, 25,000, sometimes 1,000. It's not a big deal. But one day it goes to $20 million. It means that there is manipulation, or there are what we call scams. Okay? Now, these trades are risky. You risk a lot of money. Now, when you risk, you can have high profits and high losses. You can have high profits if you succeed, but if you lose, you will have high losses also. Okay? So I give you just an example. And then, some people, when they see the stock is going up in one day, they think, for example, that the other day will go up. So they buy here. Mostly beginners who buy here. Tomorrow, it goes down, for example, to 75 cents or 76 cents. Okay? So the people who go buy here and here and here, all tomorrow they lose, for example, 65% of their money. So here they make 400%, scammers, and the regular people, they lose 65%. And this is why it is so risky to deal with the stocks. Now, for me, I don't trade those kind of stocks. I don't trade them, these kind of stocks. I can do some money with them, but I don't do high risk stocks. The only thing I do is, as you might know, I always do the trend stock. I can wait 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. I can get 70%, 100%, 200%. But it's this way I make the money. and it is not, there is no much risk in my money, for my money in this trading, because whenever they go down I sell them, but I already have made money. And even if the beginning is bad, I sell it with a small loss, so I don't lose that much in these stocks. But if you use the second one, the high flying stocks, understand that you will have to risk a lot. If you like risk, you have $10,000 to play with, or $5,000 or $1,000. You want to play with these stocks, you just go to play. I have my strategies show you where to find these stocks easily. Now last week and the other week, last week we some people they asked me to find this kind of stocks. Now this week, in 1 week, we find one. It goes 180%, we have 100%, we have 50%, we have 25%. Okay? Some stocks go 50% down, 20% down. It's just because they are very, very risky. And this week also, I find some stocks. I showed to them in the search. I showed them how to search these stocks. I say, okay, any one of you who wants to play with these stocks, they are very risky, so be careful. Okay. Top series said, Iris, hello teacher. Top series said, hello Karim. What are truly an exceptional stock trader, teacher, and leader? Thank you very much, top series. GR, can your swing trading courses work for day trading or scalping stocks? No, listen. GR, day trading, you are following fluctuations of the day. So the time frame is 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 1 minute. So it's not like swing trading. Swing trading, you should stay days, weeks, and months. This is the difference. Now, if you are interested in day trading, please go and check training level 11 and 12. Okay? You can order my ebook, or you can order my videos. It's the same. Okay? So let's see. I'll show you very quick. So when you go to my website, you go to training. If you want buy videos, you click that and you go down. You begin to see the videos, the trainings. Go to training level 11, this one. How to sell short a stock the easy way, and how to day trade using the chart and its candlesticks. Now these two are for day trading, if you are interested to know my techniques. Now you can the videos are better. If you want what we call a discount, I can give you a discount. Just send me your email. I can give you a discount. Oh. Okay. So let's go back. Guys, let me see. You can see my videos are better than the ebook, because a lot of people they like videos better than thing. Okay. So about scalping stocks, you understand that it is so hard going in and outside this. Why you are doing this scalping? Most of the people, they are scared to lose. So it's rare that people do scalping right now, because going in and out, this will benefit the broker and the market maker. They are taking fees. Okay? So, please, when they say there is no commission, it doesn't mean that you are not paying fees. You are paying. And this I have explained many times through other videos, how now there is no commission. Most of the brokers, there is no commission. But how do they make their money? They work, broker work for free? Are you sure that a broker having 100,000 subscriber, he is working for free and he is giving you to buy and sell stocks without just a charity? You are in Wall Street and they are for charity? Okay? So understand, don't be wrong. So day trading, if you have not big money and if you are not a good trader, you will be losing a lot of money going up and down, like in and out, in and out. You are losing a lot of money. So be careful, GR, of day trading and scalping. Be careful. That's why we use the swing trading. We follow the trend. Will you buy a stock today? Next few days it's going up. You just leave it. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You make 50% or 70%, 100%, 200%. When the trend finishes, you sell it. You don't go buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, because buying and selling, there are a lot of fees. You don't know how these fees are taken, but I know. I know how these fees are taken. There is also a sale fee by FINRA. A sale fee. When you sell, FINRA takes some money from your account. The broker will take it, give it to her, or to it, or whatever. This is a new thing. Like many years ago, they make this fees. Okay? Devin Frank. Please. Devin Frank, please do not put stocks in my thing. We are not here to do manipulation. We don't do that here, man. Kevin, don't put just the names of stocks. We don't like that. But thank you very much. If you have my eBooks or my my videos and you take advantage of them and you find stocks, it's good for you. And the more you practice, the more you get money, and it's very good. But be careful. Penny stocks are very dangerous. Steve M said, hello Karim, have you ever went against your own trading rules from time to time? Yes, it's rare. No, but for me, I don't go against my rules. But the problem is that I can take more risk. I know this risk. I will give you an example. Steve M, I will give you an example. Okay? So let's show you this example. At least you understand what is a mistake or not a mistake. Okay? So what is a mistake or not? I don't go against my rules because I developed them through the years. Okay. Here a stock. You bought, for example, at 20, it goes to 40. You have made 400%. I have in 2 months trade, 2 months trade. But today here, see, today, okay, here, today, it means at 4 o'clock, here, 4 p.m. Today, what do we have today? We have the earning news after the market close. Here I should decide what to do today before 4 p.m., before the market close. Here we have the news. So the earning news, what does it mean? It means there is the analysts who give an EPS. EPS, it means earning per share. They estimate it. Let's say they say $1 for each share. Now the company announces the earning news. Let's say if it is $2. Now what does it mean? It means it's good news. Good news for us. Okay? Let's say if they say 1 and the earning of news is 50 cent down. So what does it mean? Bad news. Now, the stock is 40. Let's say here, with good news, it goes to $50. With bad news, let's say it goes to $30. Okay? So here you have 3 choices. Okay? You have the first choice, sell all your shares. Or you hold here and you make a profit, or you hold and you make a loss. Here you make a loss, here you make a profit. So, since you don't know these two, you don't know. Don't ask anyone, don't ask any analyst, don't ask the gurus, don't ask anyone. Because the company knows, you don't know, no one knows. So here, it's your choice what you want to do. Now for me, sometimes I sell, sometimes I sell half, sometimes I leave all my shares and I hold them. But if I get a loss like this, if I get a loss, it's my problem because I know the risk. I know there is a risk to take. So if I don't want to have a risk, I have 100% profit. I just sell. That's it. I have my 100% profit. I don't go through this. Because if you go through this and the stock goes to 30. Okay? So here, it is as if you sold it here. So your profit will be only 50%. But just one day before, it was 100%. You see the problem? This is the thing. I don't go against my rules. I don't have rules about this. You should take your risk by yourself. Okay? No one will tell you what to do with your money. Okay? So you should take the risk by yourself. Hello, wise men. You are late tonight. Okay? So, Steve M., most of the time, even if I have a loss, I am okay with it. I don't go angry against the market or against, because I know that it might be bad. But stop having this wishful thinking and hope and ask God at night that tomorrow your stock will have a gap up. Don't ask God, because God tells you, here I will tell you. As I tell you, God will tell you. You are at risk. No one knows what God knows, but the company have the information. Okay? So don't play the fool. Don't be foolish. You know what's going on. It might be going up as an uptrend. You make money. You might have a gap down and you lose money. So don't play the fool that you don't know. And you come whining and crying, I lost all my money because there is a gap down. It's you. Why you stay in the gap down? Why you stay in the earning news? You know that there is risky. There is a big risk of losing a lot of money. Okay? So it's your responsibility to manage your money. I, as a teacher, I teach you the risk. I teach you what you should do. But sometimes you should take your risk by yourself. I give you the choices and you choose. So no one will help you. Although you know the outcome, you know that tomorrow it might be good, might be bad. So don't wish it will be good. It could be bad also. And thank you very much, Steve M, for your question. Now, penny stocks, in general, they are risky business. But you can make a lot of money from them if you know how to handle these stocks. You should have a big heart or good heart, a strong heart, because you buy today, you put 10,000, tomorrow you find 5,000. You have already lost 5,000. So don't cry. Don't cry because of your loss, because you know it is risky. And don't have this idea of certainty. I am sure that there is a gap up tomorrow. One of my students begin to tell me this. I tell him, man, listen, if you are sure, please unsubscribe from my channel, unsubscribe from my thing, put away my training and go away. If you are sure, why you come to me? Okay? If you are sure about the market, tomorrow is a gap up, tomorrow is a gap down. Okay, you become a billionaire in 1 month if you know the future. So try to be humble, try to be simple, understand your risk, and be wise. Be wise in your trading, and your managing your money is your responsibility. It's not the market who will stop you when you are going down. It's not the broker. Okay? It's you who should exit the trade or buy stock or put stop loss. It's you. It's always you who manage the thing. You are not doing an investment for the long run. Let's say you buy Apple or buy Facebook for 10 years or 20 years. You are not doing that. This you need to know the company, competition, earning per share, dividend. You know a lot of stuff about the company, cash flow, competition, where the company is going in the future. Okay? So this is investing. So you don't worry about gap up or gap down. You don't worry because sometimes you have gap up. For example, you see Facebook. Sometimes gap up, sometimes gap down. Tesla, sometimes gap up, sometimes gap down. But it is a good stock. For example, if you want to invest. But understand that always there is a risk. And this is why I am teaching you all this. Understand that some penny stocks, as I showed you the second, showed you the example before, if a stock goes so high in few days, 1 day, 2 days, or 5 days, this is manipulated. Is a stock that it is manipulated, and it will be going down very quick. And you can make a lot of money. One of these guys, when I showed some stocks, like penny stocks, when we was doing the search, one of the guys take one, but he put $11,000. Now a few days he has 55,000. He sent me an email. He told me, I have never seen this in my life. I see the charts, but I have never made that money. From 11,000 tomorrow, a few days, he has 55,000. So you see, and the stock has gone to 75,000, but he stayed 1 day or two, it goes down. because he stays many days. But I told him, if you don't exit, you will lose it all. But he exits with like I think 45,000 or 50,000, and he made a lot of money. And he was very, very happy to find this stock and to do this. But I understand. I told him, next time, don't do this. Don't do this, because next time you put $50,000 in one stock, and tomorrow you find 5,000. You will lose it all because of this greed. You should not be greedy. You should play the stock market wisely. Yes, you put some money, yes, but don't put all your money in one stock, as if you know the future. I have never put my money in one stock. It's crazy to do that, because if the market is against you, you will lose it all, or you lose a big chunk of your money that you have made in many years. You make a portfolio many years, you are good, and then in one day you hit it and you will go to zero as before. Okay, so guys, in this live, I don't want you guys to speak too much. I have explained to you. I will show you guys some penny stocks, and I will tell you which one is considered like this here. This, it could be manipulation here. You see here? These here. These here. Few days going up and they go down. Few days going up, down. Few days going up. 1 day. 1 day, 2 days. 1 day. 1 day here. And okay? So this kind of manipulation. You see? Here is another manipulation. See this? From 50 cents, it goes next day to 170, which is 300, more than 300%. But after 170, the next day is 71 cents. Okay? Another thing, few days up, manipulation, and then it collapses. You buy here, it goes up, manipulation, and then it collapses. If you don't exit at the time. So here, you see a lot of manipulations. A lot. This is manipulation here. Manipulation. Here. All this is like scams. Like pushing the stock to the extreme. Now here. This one here. This one here. You see that someone is pushing a stock. This is known. When I see a stock, I know there is one or two, or there's guys who are pushing it. See here. Okay, see here. It goes down, then it goes up. This is kind of manipulation that I am speaking about always. You see this manipulation? Here it was $1.11. It goes to $2.85, more than 200% in 1 day. Here, you see, 82 cents. It goes to 2.50. It means 300%. All this is kind of manipulation, and this is what I'm speaking about. You see here? Okay, few days, 4 or 5 days, it goes so great, and then it goes down. So these are some kind of stocks that are having manipulation. Pablo said, hey Pablo, yeah, in and out, always take some profit and know how much you risk before you would sell around. Yes, you should just bet on some stocks, get some money and exit. Don't stay too much, and that's it. Made a lot of penny stocks, but more from Tesla. Yes, Tesla last year and this year we bought it in our trading account. from last year, and it was an excellent stock this year. It means last year, it means in 2020, last year. And for those guys who wants to see where we bought Tesla, Apple, Facebook, a lot of stocks last year, you can check on my subscription. You will find all the stocks that we have bought since 31st of January 2020. Okay, so guys, this is what I want to tell you this tonight. I don't want to be taking too much tonight. Tomorrow the market is closed. I think Martin Luther King holiday, and Tuesday we will see what's going on in the market. So stay tuned. So trade wisely. When the stock it begins to go down and you begin to lose money, just exit it. Know your risk. Know how much you risk on any stock before you buy it. Okay? For me, when I buy a stock, I know where to exit if things go wrong. You should do the same as me. Not you buy and you forgot. Okay? You should have clear idea where you exit. If you don't know how to manage that, you can check training level 6, how to protect your trades. You should understand these guidelines that shows you what to do in every situation. Okay? In any situation when you bought a stock, in every situation you know how to deal it, how to manage the stock. It's not just to buy and you leave. Okay? There are some times when it is risky, and holding a stock for a long time could mean a lot of losses. Okay? So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have questions, as usual, go to my YouTube video, go to subscription, send me an email, and thank you very much.